10 health benefits of cauliflower. Cauliflower may look plain, but it holds powerful health-boosting properties. This cruciferous vegetable, related to broccoli and cabbage, is packed with essential nutrients, plant compounds, and fiber. Low in calories but high in value, cauliflower can support the body in many surprising ways. Its versatility in cooking is just a bonus. The real strength lies in what it does for your health. Here are 10 key health benefits of adding cauliflower to your diet. 1. High in antioxidants, cauliflower contains compounds like vitamin C and glucosinolates that protect the body from harmful free radicals. These antioxidants help reduce the risk of chronic diseases, including heart disease and cancer. 2. Supports detoxification. Compounds such as sulforaphane aid the liver in flushing out toxins. This natural detox effect helps the body stay clean and balanced from the inside out. 3. Boosts digestive health. Rich in fiber, cauliflower promotes regular bowel movements and feeds healthy gut bacteria. This improves digestion and reduces bloating or discomfort. 4. Heart-friendly. With nutrients like potassium and folate, cauliflower helps lower blood pressure and improve blood flow. It also contains anti-inflammatory compounds that support heart health. 5. Helps with weight management. Low in calories and high in fiber, cauliflower keeps you full longer. It's a smart choice for anyone trying to control their weight without sacrificing nutrition. 6. Supports brain health. Cauliflower contains choline, a nutrient important for brain development and memory. It supports mood balance and mental clarity as well. 7. Strengthens bones. Vitamin K in cauliflower plays a role in keeping bones strong and reducing the risk of fractures. It helps calcium bind properly within the body. 8. Fights inflammation. Natural compounds in cauliflower can reduce inflammation, which plays a role in many common diseases. Regular consumption may help with joint pain and autoimmune conditions. 9. Balances hormones. Cauliflower supports healthy estrogen metabolism, especially helpful for women dealing with hormonal imbalances or conditions like PCOS. 10. May help prevent cancer. Research suggests cauliflower's unique plant compounds may slow the growth of cancer cells and even trigger their natural death. Incorporating cauliflower into your meals, steamed, roasted, mashed, or iced, can deliver major health rewards. Simple, affordable, and powerful, it's a vegetable worth keeping in regular rotation. Always consult with your doctor to get the best recommendation. Thanks for watching.